I have a 2018 14-inch MacBook Pro TouchBar here, my only repair, and I can see it was messed with. There's some flux residue and some soldering attempts here, as you can see. Yeah, this is, and there is some flux next to it. Doesn't look good. Anyway, so I was getting only 5 volt in the charger, and I was not switching to 20 volts. And I was after inspection here, the visual inspection, I found 2 corroded contacts. I added them right here. I'm just doing the visual inspection right now. As you can see, this is the 2 contacts. They were missing, the trace were missing. So I put those jumpers in, and now I'm getting 20 volts, but I'm still not getting it to boot up fully. And after, I'm just gonna show you real quick. So I'm getting 20 volts now, but it's still, amperage is too low. So I was doing some more visual inspection on it, and here's what I found. I did not, the first thing I do visual inspection, because by visual inspection you can actually tell a lot and you can fix a lot without going deep into schematics. So here's what I found. Another element that is messed up on it. As you can see, it's just burned. So this element is, let me see. This is a 3.3 volt switch, sensor switch, and I was checking it with a multimeter, and actually the pin 2, the PP3V3 G3 hot is actually shorted on it, so it's causing the short on the PP3V3 G3 hot line. So let me replace this little thing. As you can see, it's just burned. There's some flux here too, and I actually found the same element. I went into the schematics and found the same element on my donor board, my little nice donor board from 2016 model 15-inch TouchBar, and this the same element right here, actually, right there, little one. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that, and we'll see what we have. All right, the component is in place. Where are you? Okay, right here. As you can see, it's back in place, and the short is gone. So let's see how it will behave now. We get 20 volts. 57. Let me try to connect it to the, put it back into the enclosure and see how it goes. Okay, the board is back into enclosure, not all the way, because I have to fix this keyboard connector. It was messed with too. One pin is actually it's not connected, so probably need to run because the actual connector looks fine. You know, I hate to replace the connector, and actually the pad under that pin is missing, so I will probably have to run the jumper wire anyway, so I'll just run it to probably to this connector. Make sure it's all good, but see what we have. Oops, yeah, we think we're good. Yeah, this is the proper thing. And yep, we have Apple logo, and I already covered that username. Okay, awesome. We are back in business. Thank you very much for watching.